Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We are super happy and thrilled with the lights that we got from HWH Lighting. These lights have added so much to the curb appeal of our home and our new front door look. So these lights came with a set of 2. They do not come with the bulbs. However, it comes with everything that you need to be able to add them onto your garage, front porch, or wherever you'd like. The aluminum and glass on these pieces is really quite beautiful. It just has such nice, great detailing. They feel nice and sturdy, and they were a very quick, easy swap out for our old lights. The industrial style is perfect. It goes perfectly with the look that we were going for in our front door area. These lights have a dusk to dawn sensor. Our front porch area is covered, so we find that it really kicks on only when it's late at night. However, we have them hardwired into our system and they work perfectly with our system. These lights add in such a nice different look to our front door area. We're super pleased with them. We love the construction and quality of them. They look luxe and rich. What your guests see right when they come to your door makes a big impression. So we're super happy that these lights have worked out so well. They were so easy to swap out and install. Everything came in the box. And if you're looking to change your front door look or your exterior, then you will be very pleasantly surprised and pleased with these lights. And that's my point of view.